So once you open up Canva, you're going to go to the top here where the search bar is, and you are going to type in wedding invitations. Afterwards, you're going to hit enter. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of Canva templates, and there are about 20,000 that you can choose from. I'm going to use this one here, for example. Then on the right side, select customize this template. Afterwards, you can make some small adjustments such as the text and when the wedding is happening. So I'm going to select the name here at the top and then change it. Then you can also change the background color to your liking. Once you're happy, go to the top right corner, then select share. Then go to download, change the file type to a PNG or a JPEG based on what you want. Then go to the bottom and select download. Afterwards, I'm going to select open. Then afterwards, you can start sending the invitation. And there you go.